tried to murder me, a day I can't forget about it. And I don't wish no death on homie, just want him to hear me out. Think about the past and all the many things we talked about. Think of all the people influenced by what comes out our mouth. I'm my best friend, and I'm my worst enemy. And no one else can hurt me unless I let them miss you feeling me. And misery loves company, I had my share of misery. No mystery, my infamy got me in hip-hop history. First Tupac died, then Biggie died, and it greatly impacted me. And history repeated itself to me, and I made history. So I don't turn around no more, I look at what's in front of me. I'm focused on the future, cause yesterday is history. I am not the perfect person, may don't spit the perfect verses. I wouldn't hurt a girl on purpose, cause I feel they don't deserve it. I admit my words can hurt her this time, that she didn't deserve it. A song got her, didn't interpret it right, and I'm sorry for it. T.I. many times encouraged, told me face the game with courage. Play